Mahama me search me 2 hours then. I'm on 2 hours here. Our boy due to about 2 days, 3 days. Me who be me do me a light and me who be so. I say DUMSOR there and yen any experience. And you blame games and I we buy an air and we buy an air back. Obi aba NPP buy ye who be. I don't want kroma. E be ABC no mudum
NPP for the day. Ba propaganda yo mude. Yes, let me say munyanto boase mu ba ma anya he itadiade. Security akasa some is komodu.
I say
the light is
and what's up one so enfanya hwe mu ye. Tell me toma dem NPP ni sabe dey research.
Ghana for the video we are no share. Baby am no gina ye wo Kumasi Kajetia. Dubai market who sen kane aso ase ha nyina baby a enkofo be form car. Na ye be shedwuma de wi ase ebusa se DUMSOR no to atwa na se DUMSOR no to ntwa. Ya hyase no odi anso be send usika fa lemfai. So was UK, US, Canada, Italy, Holland, Spain, France, Belgium. Any real country be send this car back Ghana making sure so be using lemfai. So we don't mean who using the promo code Shako and I'm referral code Shako. Now the signing up our first transaction. So was US and also Canada, I'll send $100. I bet you $20 and you a free discount. Who was UK, I'll send £100. You bet you £10 and you a free discount to using the referral code Shako. Who any real country be say Belgium, France, Spain, Italy, Holland. Who send €100? You bet you €20 and you a free discount. Odo Amaro Shako. Use the lemfai and never send this cable fee. Can so be using a referral code Shako. Now they are signing up. Ubet me use the lemfai they are sending this card through mobile money and as a bank account. Any jina na baby. For the video and watch what one year you Kajetia. Said the Kenya ya swa I Kajetia Dubai market way down baby on faka. Na ya nim atrenche me beto Ghana. Sa ko somo ja to ma.
Omaya ye hu ye ho anu yie. Ye ho kire. Obesore yesi central market yahye. Why na ehye no? Ibra ye bebra ansa na amasama isu humu kwan ayeye. Obitimi shada na odi pickers akotutu kwan ni mana wo ye no. Oka wase kan Moses asem kire me meka wo se kwasia na akire wo. No, listen. The insult will be too much today. Oman ni mu ni padwene nye. Hospital to me see one pensive. Ye be bra nempa kosi mu. Ghana yo bi anka wase yetimi si Kumasi market ema hoshe. Na second one na ka ho no kra no yasi. Obi da so ti nsuo mu ton ade. Ya shina makwame nkuruma koso mususu ya kohye no. Na busasa wan na hye. Obi mistake kura ahye. Ene hashi echina hashi office bi ene obi free ho na ya be holding accountable la yese ho hashi na ya wasai obi timi kosa transformer SF area na okotwitwa wo yes na ode call asa buo bi na wu ni say wodwene ho kura wo ntia ase na wo ka sa wo se wo man na wo sa agujo Mahama so ana otwi wo di na ahene wo dikurom. Oh, say, I'm a minister, and a minister of energy, and Omahana Kenyan and so empty a company, say, oh, I'm a generator, I'm with the Sibia. Sabia and the area and a light to call for Momba power on your internet, and Obitimico Chimu diesel. Obitimico town plant and all the on my burn, I'm watching children, sir. Yamia Simbia, no, I can't make a child. I said, yet 3 more things to do. Because your person say NPP was so as NPP are mine and yard here. Omoko for front of Babo, and your papa and Baba.
Like a Dumbai, especially Ashanti region, any greater Accra region, Kumasi, any Accra, like the Dumia. But and any 3 days near say President of Ghana, John Dramani Mahama, His Excellency,
Yeah, thank you very much. We heard about the sad event, the fire outbreak in your control room. And of course, Ghanaians have felt the impact of what happened. You worked hard, but it's not surprising because VRA has been one of the best organized state-owned enterprises. So I'm not surprised that you have the kind of quality of human resource to be able to ameliorate what happened. And so when I heard that, our engineers say they're going to find a way of bringing it back on, I wasn't surprised because I know VRA has some of the best personnel you can ever get anywhere in the world. So I want to thank you for the sacrifice. This is an act of God. I mean, who would have expected that the control room would develop this kind of fire? But of course, I hear it's been there since 1964. So they say in adversity is opportunity. Because now that this adversity has happened, it makes it, gives us an opportunity to replace with it a more modern control room that will serve this Akosombo plant and let it work for more generations yet unborn. And so I told the minister I was coming here to see for myself the work you had done. He's briefed me. You have 4 of the turbines back on, and he says that you're working another miracle and that I'll get good news soon with the remaining 2 turbines also coming back on. So I want to thank you very much for what you've done, and we encourage you to continue to work. VRA will continue to be one of the foremost state-owned enterprises, and Gridco and VRA, both of you, you are among the foremost twins of the same mother, Gridco and VRA, and we know that you continue to work, and every support government can give you will continue to give you. Thank you very much.
Energy Minister, Honorable John Jinapo, catch a Ghana for say, see a light, the way I dum so no, above from. Oma fixi bibia wie.
Ebi mo ka se ebedi be bosome ensia ansa na yetimi a restore power no. Me frɛ o mampanyin ka kyerɛ no. O mampanyin ka se yenyere ye ho. Yemmo ye ho modern. Na enyina mankania no ensan emra bio. Nyame anim nokre na ede. Ebi kura epa aba. Nanso senia honorable ampem eka no. Ghana, ye technicians, ye engineers, bruni bako enfre baby ama. Ghana for engineers, emma ene emema, form gangs of 3, working 8 hours, 24 hours around the clock. Na yase yadia ebo abuwa kokosechi. Ema ne ho tutu ye no. Danka ebo abuwa kwankwa de bia. Nti ye de ne komo chiri da. Nyame ncha de due to the tenacity, the hard work of the engineers from VRA and Gridco. In less than 1 week, ya restore enyamonkania ni nyina e de aba normal. Okonfoboni I say a coronation. So what movie? And then Minamo say, and Kaniano, as at yesterday when I got the briefing, not only are we meeting national demand, we are exporting power to Burkina, we are exporting power to Cote d'Ivoire, we are exporting power to Togo. Until those prolonged periods of load shedding, I a friend of DUMSOR under His Excellency President Mahama would work very hard to ensure say yensan enko hobium. Na what you are yekomui ye a detailed timetable eba for transformer replacement and upgrade exercise. Last week ye 140 ya publishing in na. Na what you are yekomui ye 300 ye be publishing in na. You 2 million na ya chresie. Nti ye the list ni nyina eba betudwa. Ofodua area bia ye transformer upgrade na enkane na gina no ye de betudwa. Ye wiesu a ye de betudwa. Na wo a wo ekiye no wakohwe no anwo se dwumadi a ye di no eye nokre ana enye nokre. Because His Excellency Mahama e de ato anim se gina po di nokre. Se challenges ba jitumo men kan kire Ghana for say e yedum si enti na challenges na ba yenya challenge we admitted it dealt with it and resolved it comprehensively. Na meda Ghana for us. And na kakra ko me nya san ho kire. Mu bebre efreye. E my encourage say yebetimi aye. Nyamencha de so yetimi aye. And so on behalf of His Excellency the President, on behalf of the people of Ghana, let me say a big thank you to the staff of VRA and Gridco for the job you've done. You deserve commendation. What you've achieved is unparalleled, and we have absolute confidence in you.
Me baby amete say ya kan okura baby amete 2 days ni you num light 2 days me num light but first no na udumno aso ntia na ya ba kedetia ye ko pizza tie lolo me na Ghana for hwehwe nkomo say ayen fa na wote ye dum light and the president the energy minister ka no ayen no kura na asa nya no kura ni yin na yetie obia no asa wo dey so be share video ya ma enra friends and any 3 days e ba no hu se DUMSOR ne koso na asa nkoso
omini aye ne kura nya me anim there like for past 2 days there pe me area baby am te there because me hu biem there na me boa be hu bibia sa past 2 days baby am me fa me kwa so am fa kofie nyina me hu bibi sa e baby kan ya ni jejina so because recently I no mudundum no obetima to ani na baby the whole Kumasi to move baby ya tum be we dey want baby light here there oh ntimi hu ni say sa dia am ya sure so ma fix it na say per DUMSOR there enye na ne be experience NPP both NPP bless both NDC bless your experience ni nyina obi aba etimi ba the only thing to America no mercy and no kwai enye blame games and na we buy na eba na we buy na eba obi aba NPP buy ye hu bi ada woni kroma ebi si no mudum enye na eba the only thing na ye hia so fix it that's all na bibia to aye dey etwa it's not about say we buy na edum na we buy that bi obi aba nti obi antimi be blame ni nyonko this time it's not about politics what I say I mean pretend be buy obi anim and then it's time to be aba nti why say we do obi there and be say who you so there nti nya say na so mo kan yeah anya we kra na recently buy na no ordinary nen nti sa na buy nti sa be recently na buy na say na no ordinary but within 4 or 5 days me area minim there but other places na a chance na eba there minim be say no due to say 2 days 3 days me hu bi yem do me light and me hu bi so yeah the
moment say enye no obi anka say DUMSOR bia bi na si na ne ye fix ne am
some me say a problem because the problem am bad enti na say nti one na be shada say okodum na na say there be nti me say a problem the problem na ba na my fast fix na eno ne ehia problem si da bia na ko my fast fix say ni say anka da bia anka kroma no be there because kroma no eno ma bebre wa ya ka ichire nti the only thing say ye be manage ne be fix things na bibia you okay into the fixing idea why there so there the baba na baso or energy minister say ya na obeye ne dia say you benya problem now within days or week time no fix bibia there say dia obo adwuma say ya na obeto aso dia obo adwuma na adwuma anso no na mampanyin ni say adwuma no obetima bonti no de ne bai nti eno ne ehia so ati ati e na adwuma no what ati dan e bada na say fix there but enchada nye abasbogri because na adwuma so why there why nti aba no why there correct when your points 100% yeah the man Mahama there me search me 2 aye there amana so ati ati obo adwuma no onko nto aso da mamu de ubu a baby betcha baby be yesta ene de ewom what ati but man hwe na chi ena man hwe de kofo kan ya de the best one no uzo bet ma ya de abo man no no anya de onye nti papa na de be kan se da na so onko so mbu man in the right way on fi anko right direction
min chawano
okay
omo nyum bi se o ka no be you
why
Mahama
okay
why for me the light musa de we do say starting as e bi kan
okay
ibu anopa me omo num na num gudu ana fun
okay
but ko mu dum be chebet be 9 something wo so ma so ama why enjoy ka kan no pa na mo but I say there say make cash you then when you say we fix it NPP for there propaganda here omo dey yes let me say munya nto boase mo ba ma anya he security akasa some is commodu
I say
the light is
Dubai light is so some so ma fix
here me ade anam pese o ye no aye no
Okay,
kafa from panifobia anam de da ECG ano ne ade no e be yi omu nyina fro kra o masa omo ana e kosi DUMSOR nye wudia
light ne de aye
say the energy minister say o ma fix it say be say buja say enra na ne ya o ba klom
by chance ba first
say ya chance say ba first
ko ye be say ba first for about to say we say that I want to power no so enfanya hwe mu ye tell me to ma to da ma Mr. President my do 24 hour economy dey hear me pa wona be share bo no boys are wa to my I say bi aduma na my say there what is power there ache sure wow sure but when to ma is a weekend is some committee can be oh hame for me full supporter of NPP ni so be dey research 24 hours economy what dey na ban pan the aduma na my na boys ni aduma na that room my boys are wa.
And just yesterday, I was in Akosombo here in the eastern region to inspect the damage at the Volta River Authority electricity generation station following the devastating fire in the switchyard control room. I know many of you are concerned about the disruptions to the electricity supply caused by the Akosombo fire. But I want to share the good news that the GRIDCO and VRA engineers working together have been able to bypass the burnt-out control room and have restarted all the 6 turbines at the Akosombo generating station. And so as of last night, the Akosombo hydroelectric dam is fully operational. I wish to use this occasion to celebrate the engineers of GRIDCO and VRA for the hard work and ingenuity they put into restoring the hydro plant to full operation. These engineers are a living testament to the fact that Ghanaian workers are the nation's most valuable asset. GRIDCO and VALCO, are you here? GRIDCO and VALCO workers, are you here? Aiko.